Hello friends, today our ninth lecture regarding 3D printing and design. Today we are discussing the Vat photopolymerization technique. This Vat photopolymerization technique is one of the earliest and most precise 3D printing technology. It involves using a light source to selectively cure, that is solidify, liquid photopolymer resin in a vat layer by layer to build a 3D object. Myself, Dr. Deval Pramanik, Assistant Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today, we are discussing the process mechanism of vat photopolymerization. Figure is the schematic figure of Vat photopolymerization technique. This figure represents the typical schematic of Vat photopolymerization process, which essentially consists of a laser mirrors for manipulating laser beam movement in XY plane, build platform, Z-axis elevator, and vat for photopolymer. The laser can be replaced with other intense light sources, maybe in UV laser we can use. During vat photopolymerization, 3D components are built in a layer by layer fashion using controlled curing of the liquid resin contained in a vat using photopolymerization. The curing is performed using a light source, mostly in the ultraviolet range, and the resin is solidified as per the contour information obtained from the slice data of the 3D model. The curing takes place up to a particular depth, which causes the adherence of the solidified part with the build platform. Thus, the material addition for the first layer is completed. To add the next layer, the build platform moves down by a predefined value equal to the layer thickness, and a fresh layer of build resin appears on the previously built layer. The material is added by photopolymerization, and in this way the second layer is built. These steps are repeated until the fine 3D component is built. After additive manufacturing of the desired component, the extra resin is drained and washed to obtain the green structure, which is post-processed by the providing ultraviolet curing to improve the mechanical strength of the built component. In Vat photopolymerization technique, photopolymerization is the major mechanism that governs the whole process. The resin essentially consists of precursor and photoinitiator. In some cases, filters are also added to build metallic, ceramics or composite parts. So, this is our schematic diagram of Vat photopolymerization. If you see the working principle of the Vat photopolymerization, see the video. So, here you see first, this is our vat, and this vat is in resin component, and this is our laser unit, and there is a 45-degree angle mirror. By this process and by this technique, the stereolithography works. So, in vat photopolymerization, raw material in a liquid photopolymer in a vat, that is your resin or epoxy, layers are selectively cured based on the 3D model. The bonding mechanism is light induced. The bonding mechanism is polymerization. Thank you.